welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, this is my kitchen, and so welcome to my kitchen. हाउस टूर कभी और करेंगे बिकॉज वो मैं एक शॉर्ट में भी अपलोड कर सकती हूँ. आई स्टे इन मुंबई, तो ज़्यादा लंबा वीडियो होगा नहीं. बट इट्स अ वेरी स्वीट एंड सिंपल हाउस. आई लव इट. आई बीन स्टेइंग हियर फॉर द पास्ट 3 years almost, and this is my safe space. Welcome to my home. So, I asked you guys questions, and I did not expect these questions at all. मुझे लगा था आप लोग बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चंस पूछोगे या कुछ क्रीपी क्वेश्चंस होंगे या जस्ट रैंडम स्टूपिड क्वेश्चंस. बट आप लोगों ने बहुत भारी क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं. सम रियली थॉट आउट, thoughtful, serious, and amazing and interesting questions. And I was blown. And there were so many amazing questions, so many beautiful compliments. Thank you so much. And well wishers, which I really appreciate. But I chose my top 7 questions and I've written it down. So yeah, let's get started. So, हम चाय बना रहे हैं, and I thought this will be my version of chai pe charcha with you guys. So, hope you like the tea, and I give you some tea. So the first question is, it's really interesting. I love this question. Which two movies from 90s era you would love to work in if it's made again, and why? Asked by Anurag Sinha. This is such an amazing question. And I did a lot of research for this. The movies that I really want to do are either made in 80s or either made in 20s to like 2000s. But 90s में भी बहुत प्यारे movies हैं. But I really want to share with you guys the two movies that I really want to be a part of if ever made again, which are Devdas and Umrao Jan. Both Aishwarya Rai movies. Of course, Umrao Jan Rekha ji ne bhi kiya hai, which is extremely amazing as well. But I am a core Aishwarya Rai fan, of course, an Alia Bhatt fan also, like you've known. But if ever I get the chance, and I hope I'm manifesting, Bhagwan ji, if ever I get a chance to be able to be a part of these movies, I think I'll be truly blessed because the character of Paro, itna depth, itna hurt, like you are visiting every emotion and just the beautiful story. Of course, Aishwarya Rai did the greatest, the best job. But to be able to do that, and the same reason for Umrao Jan, what a beautiful story, what a beautiful character. So yeah, I hope so. Fingers crossed. अगर ऐसा हो गया तो ये वीडियो शेयर करेंगे. Okay, second question, which is when will Thukra Ke Mera Pyar season 2 release? And I have written asked by many here because literally so many of you have asked me this question, and I had to answer. Well, I do have some good news for you guys. Well, I can't tell much because contracts and stuff, guys. But we've gotten a green flag to go ahead with season 2, and I was not really expecting to be a part of season 2, but you guys showed me so much love, so much love. First and foremost, I want to tell you all that I watch and I'm constantly on my DMs checking every message that you guys send me. I have never felt so much love. I mean, I have, but this love is so different, and I appreciate it so much. आपका हर एक message. I did not expect the outcome that this character gave me. और इतना प्यार, इतने sweet messages every day till now I'm receiving. I think today only half an hour back I checked and somebody had texted me, "You did a great job and ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार." And thank you so much. And I hope I keep doing work that you guys really like. So yeah, lot of questions for Tukra Ke Mera Pyar. So thank you for giving it so much love. And you never know, शायद इसी साल release हो जाए. Anyways, question number 3. How did you start your journey into cinema or acting? Be very precise. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's Lamau underscore I am or I am AO underscore I am. I don't know. But great question. I had received again a lot of questions regarding my acting journey, and I thought that I would just like take this one because he said be very precise, so maybe he'll answer everything. How did I start my acting journey? I think ये अपने आप में एक new video हो सकता है because it's a story. It's a huge story. Like every actor has their own journey, and to like give you a short answer, I would say I have always wanted to be an actor. I know the most cliche answer, but I've always wanted to be an actor ever since I was a little baby. I've just dreamt of being an actor, even when I didn't know what an actor did. Like I knew they were on TV, but it was always acting. Any friend of mine who can tell you from the age, let's say फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड के दोस्त हो या नाइन्थ स्टैंडर्ड या ट्वेल्थ स्टैंडर्ड या कॉलेज के दोस्त सबके बीच में एक ही कॉमनैलिटी होगी दैट दे से दैट दिस गर्ल वांटेड टू बिकम एन एक्टर and I say this different versions because my dad is in the army, so I've stayed all over the country. So that's why I have different places ke dost. So yeah, they'll always say that she always wanted to become an actor. The slam book mein bhi bhara tha. Occupation kya banna hai bade hoke was an actor. So it was really simple for me to know. I think that's a blessing that I had that I knew this is what I wanted to do. Family, of course, thoda skeptical थी for obvious reasons, fair enough reasons that सेफ है कि नहीं है अनसर्टनिटी है मुंबई में किसी को जानते नहीं है सो बट नाउ दे आर ऑन बोर्ड एंड they support they're my rock of course so I did a little bit of modeling in my college days in Bangalore but that was just for fun nothing professional about it I don't think I really learned anything but it was nice to do that I took a job in Puma and I moved to Mumbai I knew I had to come to Mumbai to be able to pursue this एंड कोविड चल रहा था तो कुछ भी मुझे मिला नहीं काम बिल्कुल भी काम क्या nobody let me enter their offices because COVID. Anyway, I get a little emotional thinking about it. But I was lost. I was like a puppy who didn't know what to do. Where am I? When Google पे messages डाले थे that where do you get auditions? And some really lovely people had put up some posts where on Reddit and they said कि ये जगह है आराम नगर में where you can go. And I followed that. Eventually, my dad told me that, listen, we first need to figure out if you even know acting. And I was like, fair enough. So I did an acting course from Barry John's acting studio. I did a 4 month course and I figured out that थोड़ा potential है शायद कि सीख सकती हूँ कर सकती हूँ. And so my journey began. I started giving n numbers of auditions. Actually, not auditions in the start. मैं profile बहुत सारे casting directors को भेजना start करा. Any random casting director will have my profile. It was like that. And eventually, after a few months, I started getting auditions also. And after a few months, I cracked an audition. I got some work. And some days you won't get work, and it was just unpredictable. But touch wood, luckily, I think I've had a good journey up until now, and I hope I only grow and there's progress. And yeah, I love what I do. So that's the answer to that one. Also, if you guys want me to make a video telling you what all other basic must-haves as an actor who's just beginning, or like just 2 3 tips, what in my capacity, how I can help you guys, then DM me with your questions or comment under this video because I would love to help you. And yeah, I'll make a video. Fourth question. What keeps you motivated to keep going as an artist after setbacks or rejections? Asked by My Fit Nari. So, this is such a beautiful question. Mm, what keeps me motivated? There are a lot of reasons that keeps me motivated. To begin with, the drive I've had since I was a child to be in this industry. I think that was the biggest motivation of all. And sorry, and just telling myself that I've always had faith in me to be able to do this. Of course, there are some days जहाँ पे सुबह उठते ही 3 4 messages आ जाते हैं that you haven't been selected for this, so you can release your date, and it gets to you. But I think I've built a healthy, detached pattern to all my auditions where I give it and I'm like, I'll forget about it. If it comes to me, it comes to me. But some days it gets us. I think it happens to the best of us. But yeah, other than that, I am surrounded with such amazing people who keep me motivated, and I think that'll be my answer to the next question, which is who's your rock and how do they show up for you? Asked by Pranay Verma. Well, I think that's such a beautiful question because the people that I surround myself with, they're literally my ecosystem. They keep me going. To begin with, my family, of course. They were courageous and progressive enough to let me do this, to stay here in Mumbai alone. My parents, my sibling, my sister-in-law, my cousins, everyone has been so supportive. They've shown this trust and this faith in me that I can achieve this, which I've always had to tell myself growing up alone that we can do this. We need to have faith. And now I have these people who help me bring this dream together. So that is amazing. Of course, my family is, I'm blessed, completely privileged, absolutely to be able to be supported. But other than that, my friends, oh my God, I got lucky. Of course, it's a journey. We all experience different kind of people, but I learned quickly in my life what kind of people I want to surround myself with. And I am surrounded with the loveliest people of all. They're just too good to be true. These people have motivated me, been with me through my ups, through my downs. If I'm the happiest, if I've got on a project, I'll call them and tell them. My family also, my friends too. And if I'm sad, I think I may not tell my family because I don't want to upset them, but I'll always tell my friends because they'll just drive home and just hype me up. They make me feel like I'm the most talented, most beautiful, like the most amazing person to exist. That's what they do to me, and I don't think I deserve them. They're just so amazing. All these people I surround myself with, I'm truly blessed. Thank you, Papanji. So yeah, that's your answer, Pranay. Um, Sixth question, and this is the question that my thumbnail is based on. I did not expect this question. Okay, so the question is, ever thought if this is my passion, or attracted to the glam, or it's a way to fill the void? Asked by Aksh. I was blown away by this question because so intense. Like you really, I had to sit down and introspect. कि क्या है ये? Like, what do I give an answer? Like, I really wanted to answer this. There was this thing inside me that, like, I have to answer this, but at the same time, I was like, what is the answer? And although ऐसा लगा कि difficult होगा, but it came naturally to me. So, yes, I'm attracted to the glam, of course. It would be a complete lie if I told you I'm not attracted to the glam. I'm just here for the craft. I'm an actor. It's not just that. Of course, I'm attracted to the glam. Every girl is attracted to the glam. So yeah, there's a teeny bit part of that also. But that want is in a very healthy level, I feel. I'm not trying to brag myself, but I've kept it on a very healthy level where I won't go crazy if I'm not getting the glam. It's completely chill. If I have it, cool. If I don't have it, cool too. But, or is it a way to fill the void? I think, I really think as humans, all of us somewhere are trying to fill a void. But for me, acting not just fills that void, but it makes me truly happy. It gives me that boost. It gives me that, I don't know, it's just electrifies me and it keeps me motivated. It keeps me alive. So yeah, it is my passion and I'm grateful to have a passion in life. I'm grateful that I'm doing what I love because I love what I do. I really do. Anyways, number seven. And this is a really sweet question. So I don't remember who sent this because I didn't take a screenshot, but I clearly remembered this question. And I thought I had taken a screenshot so I could write the name, but I did not, but I remembered the question. That's why I really love this question and that's why I kept it for the last. So whoever texted me this question, please DM me so maybe I can, later on Instagram tell people who actually asked me this, which is what are the two morals you live by in life? It's a very sweet question, I feel. And to answer that, wait a second, sorry. And to answer that question, two morals would be first is very clear, which is be kind. Like literally just be kind. It's It's a very, very important thing to me that people around me and me to my people are, they were kind. And not just to my people, but to everyone. Like, there needs to be the first, what do you say, benefit of doubt, or just in general being there for people as humans and not being all snooty about everything. I really appreciate kindness. I really appreciate people who are sweet and like truly sweet, not the fake kind of sweet. Not the ones who are just trying to people please, but people who genuinely just who have a good heart. They may not be perfect. They are flawed. We are flawed. I am completely flawed, of course. But I try to be a good person to people around me and to anyone new that I meet. So that is the first and foremost thing. What would be the other moral? I think not to hurt anybody. I don't know if that counts as, I think it does, but not to hurt anyone intentionally or unintentionally around me. I think I go above and beyond to make sure that people around me are not being hurt. And if I know somebody, any of my friend or anyone, जिसको किसी भी तरीके से remotely मुझसे hurt हुआ होगा, I'll be the first one to come and apologize. But not on the cost of my mental being. Like if somebody is doing me wrong, I will eliminate you from my life. I do not have that mental capacity anymore. The bandwidth is not there. If you're nice, if you're a good human being, you're in my life. And yeah, so these are the two morals I live by. And comment and tell me what are the two morals you live by. So these were my 7 questions. Thank you for asking these amazing, amazing, interesting questions. I absolutely loved it. And yeah, मेरी चाय भी ready हो गई है. Just so the next video is going to be really, really amazing. I have something really wonderful in mind, and I hope that you guys watch it. Thank you for giving me so many views in my first video, although you guys did not subscribe, all of you who watched, so whatever. No, but please subscribe if you can. It's just a little red button in the end. I think it takes 3 seconds to just go there. Do it. Be kind, guys. Live by my morals. Be nice. Give me a subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. You guys have been amazing. Thank you for the sweet comments. They really motivate me. Thank you for the feedbacks that you guys have given. And I hope I keep making great videos for you all. And I hope you loved it. Cheers. Bye.